Hi guys, welcome to Money Lux. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about best tips for selling on Facebook Marketplace in 2022. So make sure to watch the full video. Now that you know how to sell on Marketplace, optimizing your listings to increase sales is imperative. The following selling tips and ideas will double or triple your sales. 1. Optimize your listing and boost them. Search engine optimization, SEO, also matters a lot when listing on Facebook Marketplace. It can help you boost the rankings and visibility of your product listings. Consider optimizing the listing by adding appropriate keywords in the title and description. So when a potential buyer looks for an item that falls in your category, yours will rank top. Once you've optimized the listing, boost it by turning it into an ad. You'll easily track your listing performance, reach the target audience, and appear in people's newsfeed. Use Facebook Pixel to track the engagement of target buyers from your ads to your business pages and e-commerce website. To boost a listing on Facebook Marketplace, go to your account, then to your listings. Next, select the listing you want to promote and click on Boost Listing. 2. Improve your listing photos. Many listings on Facebook Marketplace have failed to impress potential buyers due to dull, blurry, and poorly lit photos. So using high-quality product photos will increase sales. Take time to ensure that the product's photos are clear, crisp, and well-lit. If you can't hire a photographer to help you capture the item photo, use your smartphone camera. If you don't add legit photos to your listing, buyers may request more pictures or move to other sellers. You can borrow tips for creating high-quality images from Amazon sellers. 3. Renew your posts. Sometimes, a listing can stay on Facebook Marketplace for more than a week without getting sold. If that happens, consider renewing the listing to improve the item's visibility. As more sellers post similar items on Facebook Marketplace, yours will go down the list. So renewing the post will return it to the top of search results. Thankfully, the service is free. Go to the Marketplace and click the Your Account button to review your post. Next, go to your listings and click the three-dot icon on the listing thumbnail. You'll find the Renew Your Listing option in the drop-down list that appears. You can do that up to 5 times per item. 4. Selling on Facebook Groups. Facebook local selling groups are a great place to publish your Facebook Marketplace listings. It puts your items right in front of the target buyers, increasing the chances of making sales. The good thing about this is that you'll get immediate feedback from customers as people will be commenting on your post. The response can be either positive or negative. For example, brace yourself for a few disgruntled comments if you resell a product at a very high price. That may discourage some buyers from purchasing your products. The listing will get immediate attention if the selling group is very active. This will help you develop long-lasting relationships with your loyal customers. 5. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads are paid advertisements that usually appear between regular listings on the marketplace. So they help sellers reach many active users who scroll to purchase items. While paid ads appear along with other relevant products, they are usually more visible than other products due to their large sizes and sponsored labels. Since paid Facebook ads reach customers as they actively shop, your products will likely sell faster. You can also directly send target customers to your own e-commerce shop, where they can learn more about the products. This will even help you develop personal connections with the clients. Another benefit of using Facebook ads is to quickly scale them across Facebook business pages with automatic placements. As a result, your sales will increase dramatically. Use Facebook Pixel to track your ads to know how the target customers engage your business as they seek solutions to their pains. 6. Selling items on Facebook with e-commerce platforms. Millions of people buy and sell on Facebook Marketplace. So you can integrate your already active e-commerce platform to Facebook to help market online and grow your revenue quickly. Some e-commerce platforms available for integration with Facebook Marketplace include Shopify, BigCommerce, CommerceHub, Channel Advisor, and SetCommerce. If you host some of your products on one of the partner e-commerce platforms, You can quickly import them to your Facebook business page catalog. After that, you can continue managing your items from the e-commerce platform, so any update you perform will automatically sync to your Facebook page. 7. Include delivery/shipping. Adding delivery services to your Facebook Marketplace listings gives buyers an exceptional shopping experience. Add a small markup fee to the base price and watch the item sell from your online store. If you're selling to local customers, the delivery services can save you and your clients time, increasing convenience. Also, you'll safely deliver your physical products to buyers who buy them. Another advantage of the Facebook Marketplace delivery services is that it makes you look professional as a seller. Besides, the buyers don't have to worry about searching where you live. It's important to note that Facebook delivery services are available in major cities, such as Boston and Los Angeles. So you should check if the service is available in your location. 8. Expand to other marketplaces. If you want to expand your network to other e-commerce platforms, consider posting your Facebook Marketplace listings in advanced marketplaces like eBay and Amazon. With around 182 million active users worldwide, eBay is still among the best platforms to grow your e-commerce business. More than 70% of this traffic comes from the US. On the other hand, Amazon has 200 million Prime members worldwide, 147 million from the US. In addition, it boasts a sophisticated fulfillment network that makes shipping easy. The good news is that both Amazon and eBay are product-oriented, just like Facebook Marketplace. However, selling products on both platforms is not free like on Facebook. Who should sell on Facebook Marketplace? The short answer is anyone. Facebook Marketplace isn't just for people who have extra stuff they want to get rid of. It's also for entrepreneurs, e-commerce businesses, Amazon sellers, woodworkers, handmade artists, brick-and-mortar stores. You get the picture. In fact, seller strategies don't differ all that much between Facebook and other platforms like Amazon and eBay. Unlike other e-commerce or reselling marketplaces, Facebook charges zero fees to list your items if you sell them locally. If a customer places an order for shipping, the seller is only charged 5% of the sale price. The low overhead makes listing products on Facebook a no-brainer for new and experienced e-commerce sellers. What do you need to start selling on Facebook? All you need to start selling on Facebook Marketplace is an active Facebook account. It's really that simple. If you would like to offer shipping on your listings, you need to take the extra step of entering your payment and shipping information. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.